In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Revtag on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where it lives in the app, how to access a quick QR code, and how to share a link so others can easily send you money. Let's start with what a Revtag is. Think of it as your unique handle inside Revolut, a simple identifier that friends, family, or clients can use to find you without needing your phone number or bank details. It keeps things quick, clean, and more private than sharing sensitive information. Go ahead and open the Revolut app on your device. Whether you're on iOS or Android, the layout is very similar. On the main screen, look toward the top left corner of the app for your profile icon. It may show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Tap that icon to open your profile view. This takes you to a space that's all about your account, and it's where your personal identifiers are neatly organized. Now focus on the area just beneath your name. Right there, you'll see your Revtag. It usually starts with a symbol and then your chosen handle, which functions like a username. If you're new to Revolut, this might be the first time you've noticed it. If you've been using the app for a while, it's a handy reminder of the simplest way others can reach you. Once you can see your Revtag, go ahead and tap on it. This opens up additional options designed to make sharing even easier. One of the most useful is your QR code. With a quick scan, someone near you can open your profile and send money without typing anything. You'll also see a shareable link. This is perfect for sending in a message, adding to an invoice, or including in a note to a client or friend. When they tap the link, they're guided straight to your profile so they can pay you quickly and securely. A quick tip here, only share your Revtag, QR code, or link with people you trust. While it doesn't expose your sensitive banking details, it does let others find your profile for payments. If you ever feel unsure, simply share it directly with the person who needs it and avoid posting it publicly. And that's it. You've successfully found your Revtag on Revolut, seen how to open the extra options, and learnt the easiest ways to share it. Keep this handle handy whenever you need to receive money fast, and you'll save time on every transfer.